you doing? You having a hard time?
Nope, I'm doing just fine. Thank you. I will get sick on you. Stop it. That's the best way to take it. Not so bad. Very dangerous.
Very dangerous.